How do you choose your vocabulary, and what vocabulary is common to you? Vocabulary does not connote big grammar or ambiguous words that will be difficult or hard for a layman to understand. From dictionary, vocabulary is a collection of words a person uses. Vocabulary here is simply termed a common language to a person. Amazingly, everyone has a vocabulary, a language common to them. Please do well to like, comment, and share this video so that this video will be a blessing to many people. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Many people are addicted to a particular vocabulary unconsciously due to the company they keep, as the environment is a prevalent factor that engineers a person's vocabulary. Nevertheless, we have every right to choose our vocabularies because the word we commonly use in our lives has the power to determine the outcomes of our lives and the path we are going to choose in the long run. Although some people joke with some words, but they are not aware that the word we use in our life has a substantial effect on the outcomes of our lives. What vocabulary do you use most in your life? Surprisingly, many have grown a seed in their lives that they are not too far from negative words. Sometimes these come as comment, feeling, outbursts, probably from their past or their experiences. Many have found that nothing is working in their lives, yet they have not deceased from using negative words, negative comments over their lives. You have to know this. After God, there's no any other person in this world that his word is so much powerful over your lives than yours. Now, how do you choose your vocabulary? Many people choose their vocabulary based on what they are passing through, based on their conditions. They profess and confess good things when things are rosy in their lives, but they begin to declare negative things over their lives when things do not work the way they plan. These same set of people are not stable in their ways. They can be tossed around in turbulent situations, forgetting that life does not promise anyone a bed of roses. Do not choose your words based on what you are passing through based on situation. You should be balanced and be stable in your choice of vocabulary. Philippians chapter 4 verse 8 says, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things of good report, think of these things. By choosing your vocabulary based on things that are true, based on things that are honest, based on things that are just, based on things that are of good report, your life will have a direct and smooth course. Do not allow the situation to determine your choice of words. Ensure to be positive at all times, regardless of what you are passing through, knowing that no situation is permanent. It is expedient to remember at all times that this life is governed by principles and laws. Although some talk about luck, but practically, there is nothing on earth that happens by accident or coincidentally. Everything has their own course. Nothing happens on its own. It could either be by the deeds or acts of the past or the present, consciously or unconsciously. Your choice of words that you commonly use is a seed that you plant into your life, which will germinate and will eventually produce something for you later in life. A lot of people are living a life they are not pleased with in the present because of the word, because of the vocabulary they chose in the past. Do not make any situation worse because of your vocabulary. Your vocabulary verify your thought process. How do you choose your thoughts? You choose your thought by only thinking on things that are beneficial, things that are edifying, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are of good report. Think of these things because your thought carries energy. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. We are God's image and we should replicate and emulate him. The Bible says, and God created heaven and the earth, and the earth was without form and void, and darkness covered the face of the earth. This was contrary to God's intention. What did God do? God declared, let there be light, without glorifying the situation, and there was light, and darkness could not comprehend it. Moreover, you are the chief commander of your words. Therefore, exercise self-control in your choosing vocabulary, your choosing words, because by your word, by your vocabulary, you can be condemned. By your word, by your vocabulary, you can be justified, and your future is the fruit of your vocabulary, is the fruit of your choosing words. No one controls your word but you. Therefore, ensure you choose the right words over your life always, because the power of life and death is in the tongue. God bless you. Bye for now. Ireo.